What are my workplace drug testing rights as an employee? Imagine going to work and being asked to give a sample for drug testing. Do you know what rights you have in that situation? Let's break down what you need to know about workplace drug testing rights. Most private companies in the United States are not required by federal law to drug test employees or applicants, but they can set their own policies as long as they follow the law. When testing happens, it must be fair and consistent, treating everyone equally. Federal laws like the Americans with Disabilities Act protect employees from discrimination. This means employers cannot target or penalize someone for legally prescribed medications or medical conditions. The Civil Rights Act also prevents discrimination based on race, religion, sex, or national origin. Testing policies must apply fairly to all employees and not single out protected groups. In union workplaces, the National Labor Relations Act requires that drug testing policies be negotiated with the union. Employers cannot impose testing rules without agreement. For safety-sensitive jobs like truck drivers, pilots, or train operators, federal regulations from the Department of Transportation requiring drug testing. These tests include pre-employment, random, post-accident, and testing based on suspicion. State laws vary a lot. Some states have strict rules about when and how drug testing can happen. For example, North Carolina's Controlled Substance Examination Regulation Act says employers must give written notice, keep test results confidential, and collect samples in a respectful way. Employers are responsible for paying for the test and must keep samples for a certain period after notifying employees of results. Privacy is a big concern with drug testing. Providing urine, blood, or hair samples can feel invasive. Sometimes, observers watch during sample collection to prevent tampering, which can add discomfort. Test results can reveal medical issues, so confidentiality is important. Employers generally cannot share results unless required by law or with your permission. If you are asked to take a drug test, review your employer's written policy and any union agreements. You have the right to know why you are tested, how the sample will be taken, and how your privacy will be protected. If you believe the testing is unfair, discriminatory, or violates your privacy, you might have grounds to challenge it. Employees who take prescription medications or have disabilities should inform their employer if a drug test could reveal their condition. This can help prevent misunderstandings or wrongful discipline. In union workplaces, any changes to drug testing policies must be negotiated with your union representative. Remember, most private employers can requiring drug testing but must follow federal and state laws. Testing should be fair, non-discriminatory, and respectful of your privacy. Knowing your rights helps you handle these situations confidently. If you have concerns, talking to a labor attorney or your union representative can give you extra support.